Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the 5 best tips and tricks to fix Spotlight not working on Mac. Spotlight is one of the fastest ways to search for files, apps, emails, and even perform quick calculations on your Mac. So when it suddenly stops working, it can feel like a core part of macOS is broken. So whether Spotlight is not showing results, indexing incorrectly, or not opening at all, the issue is usually fixable with a few simple tricks. That's it. Let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to restart your Mac because it is pretty handy in fixing common glitches. So just click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and choose the restart option. And once your Mac boots back up, try using Spotlight again to check whether or not you have gotten better at the problem. Then I will recommend you to rebuild the Spotlight index on your Mac. Note that Spotlight relies on an index to quickly find files. If it is corrupted, the search may stop working. Just head over to the System Settings app and choose the Spotlight option in the left sidebar. After that, you have to choose Spotlight or Search Privacy option. Then you have to add your main drive to the list. Then remove it after a few seconds. This forces Spotlight to rebuild its index, which may take some time depending on your data. Then I will recommend you to check the Spotlight settings on your Mac. Note that sometimes Spotlight may not search certain categories. Therefore, make sure that the Spotlight settings have been configured properly. Just head over to the System Settings app on your Mac and then choose the Spotlight option in the left sidebar. After that, make sure that all relevant categories such as apps, documents, etc. are checked properly. Also, verify that the keyboard shortcut for Spotlight is enabled. After that, I will recommend you to update the software on your Mac. Keep in mind that running an outdated version of macOS can cause bugs, including Spotlight issues. So head over to the System Settings app and then choose General. After that, select Soft Update and install any available updates. Updates often include bug fixes and performance enhancements that can restore Spotlight functionality. And finally, I would recommend you to restart Spotlight manually via terminal. If Spotlight is still unresponsive, you can restart its service because it is very handy in fixing this annoying problem. So launch the terminal app on your Mac. And then you have to type the following sudo killall command and press enter. Then make sure to enter your password to confirm, and that's about it. This command restarts the Spotlight indexing service and can fix underlying issues. Spotlight issues can be rather frustrating, but they are rarely permanent. In most cases, a quick restart, index rebuild, or system update is all it takes to restore normal functionality. By following the steps above, you should be able to fix the problem and get back to searching your Mac effortlessly. Hopefully, you have managed to get better at this problem, and now Spotlight has started to work like a charm on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one.